Yeah. Yeah.
Before we start, our topic today is very interesting. But before we start, we need to learn some words first, right? So take a look at here. So these are the words that we need to learn first. I have it written in here. You have the words such as adaptation. So if you see adaptation, it features
Why you
people
adapt
and
something?
animals possess that help them to live in their habitats. Okay, to adapt in the environment. What do you mean by adaptation? Like
Why
example,
you get? Why
you
you get
are
like?
you are adjusting to your environment to adapt. Okay, before you're not used to like to stay inside the home, right? Stay at home, you like going out with your friends, but since it's pandemic, you started to adapt staying at home instead of going out. Next, you have climate is
Teacher,
a weather condition. Okay, so it's a weather condition in an extended or period of time. You have compose, it is made of different
soil.
materials.
It is for soil.
Compose. Then you have disaster. Disaster
Why
is
it's
an unexpected event that causes damage to animals. Disaster is destroying everything. Drought. It's a long period of dry weather. Drought is like it's very dry. It's like the one that we studied in the
sandstorm, earthquake.
no, drought is like the land is so dry. And then you
Oh,
have
the El Nino.
yes, the El Nino. Okay, next you have Earth. Earth is where we live at right now. Environment is environment that we do have. Okay, the condition of living that we do have in our surroundings. Then you have garbage. We already know that. Extinction. Extinction, it is when species of plant or animals disappears from Earth. There are lots of animals right now that are in danger. Okay. Habitat.
Elephant.
Elephants. Habitat is a place in nature where plants, animals, and people grow and live.
Like the
Prevent.
big animals teacher, there is thing.
Yes, true. Okay. Next, you have prevent to stop something from taking place. Like you prevent something to happen, right? So if we plant more trees, we can prevent. What can we prevent? We can prevent climate change. We can prevent flood. We can prevent what else? Diseases, right? Next, you have recycle, reduce, and reuse. So recycle is to use something. Same with reduce, to make smaller thing or to make less of it. And then you have reuse, to reduce again. Okay, it's just to reuse and to make it new again. Okay, the old one to the new one. It's like using the same thing. Next, you have waste. Waste is to use something um
Yes,
carelessly.
here
Then weather. Weather,
like
same, yes. That
the same as
includes
disaster. The
mm-mm.
same as disaster.
Weather. Daily conditions of a particular area includes temperature, precipitation, cloud cover, and air pressure. So weather is actually the one that we do have. What's the weather like outside? It's hot. Okay. Next, you have weathering. It is the process that breaks rocks into smaller pieces. Now, this time, I'm gonna let you watch a short video clip.
Yay.
Make sure you will study those words because I will have a spelling test with that for the next class.
No. And the Filipino Odyssey?
Science.
Oh, 5 years ago, there was dinosaurs.
Okay, please look at the video first.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Weird.
Oh my god.
Why was the
That's
chicken
all around.
there and he put it in the bunny?
So what can you say about the video?
I can say like that.
He's throwing all the trash and he's making animals like they're like he's making animals die and he's getting the suit of the animals and he's playing with the animals and killing them.
Exactly. Okay. So yes.
One of the had the small bear
Okay,
trapped
so
in
what's
a
your
cage.
question, Zach?
How did the chicken get fat?
What? How did it get fat?
Yeah, it can be like a basketball.
Yeah, and it's like it's the basketball and you shoot it. And there was this tornado because he littered the sea. He littered.
It's because the chickens got fat. It's because they inject something, a chemical. They inject a chemical to the chicken to make it bigger, to make it look bigger.
And that's not they have. That's
You know
not
that-
how they spell KFC.
You know that
in the chicken box.
The guy is rude.
it is like that. Even in there's actually a saying that even in fast food like Jollibee, KFC, McDonald's, they are using chemicals to make their chicken looks big. They inject chemicals in it to make it.
Diana.
Yes.
He's so bad. He littered in the sea. He put trash.
Yes, it is true. You know that some people will throw their trash in the river, at the lake, the ocean. It's really common.
And then the turtles will die. Just like
True. It is. Well, what we've seen in the video is what the man or the people are
making
using
the environment dirty.
Earth.
the man is evil. The man is
True.
evil.
Yes, it is true, right?
Yeah, I'm saying
Go to the devils are not true. They're just in your imagination. Angels are good. They die. You know what? I want to be a mad scientist.
There's a head. There's a head beside the evil man. There's a head. Evil.
I think it's not finished the video.
No, it's already finished. Okay, so that is what we're actually going to talk about. So how do you think the earth changed slowly? So it's changing very quick, right? As what we can see, the people on earth, we humans, we cut trees like every day to make papers, to make books, to build houses,
Teacher.
build furnitures. Yes, Alyssa?
No wood
How did the
house.
man make anything?
Huh?
How did the man destroy the world? Did he have a gun? The man?
Is he a
Of
man?
course,
The
we
president?
destroy everything by doing the things that are against the environment, the things that
Will take a
should
long
help
time.
the environment, but it's killing the environment.
Teacher Diana, why is it that he didn't die even
plastic.
he didn't have water and he
Why
didn't
did he make the snakes into boots right away?
It's because it's because the man is used to drinking beers and sodas. Mm-mm.
why is it that the cops arrested him?
Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen that one in the video.
Maybe he also made the cookies do something.
Well, there are some like big people who are so hard to catch by the police. It's because they have the will and the power. They have the money and the power to do things, right? Like example, they can just pay police or they can just escape because they can just travel anywhere. Mm-mm.
They're
That's
like
the reality.
Joker.
Yep. All right. So here you are. So Earth changes every day, as we all know. Sometimes the weather, just like we are experiencing right now. Supposedly December, if the month starts in bare months, the weather or the weather in Philippines is cold, but recently it's still hot. It's like summer. So you cannot see some of these changes sometimes. Many changes take thousands
Only
of
America
years
has
to
snow.
happen.
Only America has snow.
Yep.
It's gloomy. It's in Christmas. It's gloomy.
Yes,
It's
gloomy.
dark too.
Yes, because in bare months, days is shorter than night. Okay, so night is longer than days as well. So water changes the land over time. Fast moving water can wear away rock. Strong winds blow sand and carry away soil. The surface of the land or rock changes shape. So ice can shape the land too over many years. Ice can break into large rocks. Have you heard the news about the ice that are
No.
No.
Mhm. The ice in the
Started out.
North Pole or are starting to melt because of the climate change that we do have.
Teacher, did you heard that there's a ball coming out from the sky and hits Earth, but it didn't hit Earth.
Yeah, it didn't actually. I don't know. You mean the meteor? Yeah, they
The
should
Yeah,
meteor.
heard that
Let's
one.
go on. It's a meteor.
I don't know. I'm
yeah,
not.
I never saw a meteor last here.
Hopefully
guys,
not. Mm-mm.
Hopefully not, because there will be a lot of danger.
True. True.
Near our house will be danger.
Can I go home?
Okay. Right, so some activities of people can change the Earth's surface. Cutting of trees, throwing of garbage, constructing more buildings. it actually affects the Earth's land and water. Okay, especially those factories, because their waste goes out to the ocean or to the river, right? Which is not healthy, or sometimes to the soil as well. So how does cutting of trees affect the Earth's or the surface of the Earth? You have number one.
Like that. Because they're cutting down.
So how do you think cutting of trees affect the surface of the Earth? You have here cutting down of trees. It actually
No.
affects the Earth by what? What causes if what do you think will happen if we cut a lot of trees?
The animals have no home.
Sure.
Oxygen, what else?
They won't have a home to. They don't have a home to live, Teacher Diana.
Home for
No
animals.
papers. No papers.
What else?
Animal homes if there's no trees.
No, yeah, no food and shelter for animals. What else? It will cause more landslides. And then what happened? What else will happen? It will also like it won't stop the
Environment
floods.
won't.
So trees are really important. It's really, really important.
But what you can make a house?
Next, you have here dumping of garbage. So, do you think it will help the earth? No, it wouldn't.
No.
This plastic
No. Will die.
what will happen if we dump garbage anywhere? What will happen?
Garbage is bad.
So, what do you think will happen if we throw garbages anywhere?
We will die. The fishes will die.
Will die.
The fishes will die.
Fishes
will
will
die.
die.
And the whole earth will gonna be. And also the fishes.
So a lot of it will take effect. Like example, there will be like more deaths for the sea animals, more stagnant canals, more flooding, and so on. Right. Next, we have building houses. How do you think building houses affect the changes of the earth? The more we build,
Wood house.
so the more we build houses, the more we cut trees, and the more we cover the earth, right? Which is not actually good because we are taking or we're cutting off the oxygen that we are supposed to add more.
But we don't have house to survive.
Okay, so some changes on Earth happen quickly. Fast changes on Earth can happen when Earth crust moves. So you have here, one of the example is an earthquake. So when earthquake happens, it causes damage and can change the shape of the land. This is one of the example of the earthquake. That's what you can see. So when the crust moves, it causes an earthquake. You know, in Japan, it's always like they always experience earthquake all the time.
The meteor comes, there's gonna be earthquake.
They always experience earthquake. Like it is very common in their country.
Only 3 of my family. I was just sleeping that in earthquake.
There was earthquakes
Real.
before when we were sleeping.
Experienced flash flood already?
Huh?
Did you already experience flash flood?
No. And I don't want to experience it too.
Flood?
Yeah.
If you would like to experience flood, I know how to survive in a flood.
Mm.
There was this guy who was running out and go to the flash flood, and he just like swimmed because he slipped. He swimmed.
It's actually sad to see some people experiencing flash floods, right? Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
Next, you have here.
Volcano.
Volcano is an opening on Earth's crust. So a volcano can erupt and a very hot, thick liquid will come out of the opening. The liquid cools into solid rock. So you have here the volcanic eruption. Mm-mm. You know that we had experienced it too, right? Have you heard the news about volcanic eruption in Luzon before? Was it? Yeah, it was this year.
In the Manila,
Yes. In the
Quezon City.
Always have erupting volcanoes in the dinosaurs farm.
So what will you do if you think that the volcano will erupt anytime and you live nearby?
So you have to stand on some.
Ocean, teacher. I go to the ocean. I jump into the ocean. No matter what, I jump into the ocean.
Allah. Okay, for that you need to go as far as you can.
Volcano and you put. Almost.
You need to leave the place. You need to evacuate. Okay. Next.
Evacuate the place, the area. Place.
Exactly. Okay, so other one of the reason for it would be the cost of water. So a flood can happen when a lot of rain falls quickly and the rain cannot soak into the ground. Floods make it hard for plants and animals to live. So this is one of the
I
examples.
don't like floods. The animals
Flood.
gonna die.
Because that's why it happened. A flash
Yeah.
flood happened.
Actually, floods happen in a lowland area. So it only happens to those areas that are deserted, like near the river, like that, and has lesser trees, stagnant canals. So just like in Cebu City, if you have seen, or if you were living in Cebu City, every time the rain falls quickly, it will cause flood, right? Especially in Colon and also in other streets in Cebu City. Yes, just like a short rain, it will cause flood immediately. Not nice.
Like in London, they go to the jet ski, teacher. They go to the jet ski or a boat.
True. Okay, so next you have landslide. Here.
I know the landslide.
Landslide happens
I
when
already saw that here.
slide. Yes.
Not the mountains.
Teacher, they
Geyser or snow.
the mountain and it goes to a landslide because for a house.
True. So, do you think you can survive with this landslide? No, you cannot. Imagine being covered by a mountain of sand all over you with rocks in it. So it is not.
Teacher, and I will just run. Teacher, I will run. I will just run. I will run.
Even though you will run, it will still catch you on, not unless you will go to a far place in outside the area mountain like this one.
I will go to. It will go to like I will have a car and it will I will drive it and it will go to the desert.
So landslide actually happens anytime, especially if we cut more trees. That's what you can see here. There are no trees, so it's naturally prone for landslide. Because you know trees is really important. They are the ones who hold the soil, the rocks. It makes the land.
Also landslide in Manila.
Also the landslide in Manila.
Okay, at least I don't live in there. Because I'm in Manila and everything bad happens in Manila.
Okay, so those are the
Yeah,
types of events that we experience.
teacher,
Yes.
if you live in Manila and you cut the rocks, you cut it. It's part even the children that didn't cut it. They are still part of the sin. Yes, they are still part of the sin. God's angry with us.
Well, that makes us
Pray,
all the
pray.
same.
Zero in class.
So it's really important that we always plant more trees and throw our garbages properly.
Teacher, if you plant 2 million trees,
Huh?
20 million, is it to plant 20 million trees?
I want to
All the people, if all the people in Philippines will help out to plant trees, it's gonna be so easy to plant trees.
Teacher, if
like a money tree.
million trees, if they plant 20 million trees,
Of course, we will help the animals to have their food and shelter. Also, we can have more oxygen for us to breathe air.
yeah.
Okay, so do you have more questions with our topic?
No.
No? Well, I guess that's it for today. I hope you learned something. We'll say goodbye for now, and
I
we'll
learned
see
something.
you again.
I live in Manila.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
You.